This discussion will introduce to us what is all about mail merge and how does mail merge work. So a mail merge can be applicable in Microsoft Word to Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft Word to Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Word to Microsoft PowerPoint. But we will be focusing more on the Microsoft Word to Microsoft Excel. So mail merge for me is very important, especially in printing of certificates, because we all know that printing of certificates is very time consuming. It is also energy consuming. It requires a lot of patience and it requires perfection. And it's so hard to print certificates, especially when you're in a hurry. So the first thing to do in printing of certificates, of course, you need to prepare your template. So let's just take a look at this example, our template of certificate of recognition for the first recognition of achievers, school year 2020-2021. So I just put name here and then either his or her because I don't know yet their gender, and of course their honors, either with high or with honors. So the next thing to do is to open Microsoft Excel, and here you will encode the list of the names of achievers, and then you will put here the correct pronoun to be used, either his or her. Of course, when it's a man, you will use his, and when it is a woman, then you will use her, and indicate here the honors. So this is just a sample. Let's say that the two students are with highest honors and four students are with high honors and the rest of the students are with honors. So the next thing to do is to save this file. So let's save this file. So when saving files, I used to save it in my desktop so I can locate it easily. So let's just save it in our desktop, and then let's rename the file. So I will just put here cert, or you may use any file name that you want. Just make sure to remember the file name and then click. So I am now done in saving the file. So I'll go back to the template of my certificate. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click mailing and then select recipients and then click use an existing list, and then this is the next one. Since I saved the file in my desktop, so I'll click desktop and then I'll find the file name of the certificate. So this is it. So search, and then I will click open and then click OK. After doing that, proceed to insert mail merge field, and then you will notice here the name, the his and her, or the honors, because these are the labels that we put on the top portion of our Excel. This is it. So this is the top portion of our cell. So let's go back to the MS Word. After that, highlight the name and then click insert merge field and then click name. So if you will notice, there are some changes that happen. So next one is to highlight his or her and then again click insert merge field and then click his or her. So again, there are changes that happen. And then for the last one, for the last data that we need is the honors. So again, highlight the honors and then click insert merge field and then click honors. So if you want to view the changes or the results, just click preview results. So if you will click this one, so this will how it looks like. So since we have certain number of students, then you may just click this arrow here. So if you will notice, there are some changes that happens in the names, in the pronoun, and also in the honors again. Okay, so that is how it looks like. If you are now confident that you have all the list of the achievers, And then you may now proceed to printing, but this is not just the ordinary way of printing, which is the control P or clicking file and then clicking print, but instead we will use the finish and merge. So click this one and then click print documents. If you want to print all, then you may print all. If you just want the current record, then you may just click the current record. Or if you want to have some ranges from either 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, then you may have this one. But for me, I used to click all and then click OK. So this is how it will look like. So you need to determine, of course, the available printer that you have. And since the available printer that I have is the HP Inktank, so I will click this one. If you want to have a number of copies, then you may change this to the copies that you want, to the amount of copies that you want. So, and then click OK, and then it will now print and it will show you uh, certificates with different names and having the different data.